Talk to you for a minute?
Yep, just a minute.
No, not yet. And then, yeah, I'll bring it.
So, I can talk to you through the door. It's not really a good moment for me to come out right now. So.
Okay.
I know that my neighbor has made some sort of complaint against me.
Mm-hmm.
If you look in the notes of your file, you'll see that there has been false complaints made by Mr. Slobomir. In the past, he is a superintendent. He is someone who is trying to allow renovations to occur contrary to the zoning of this house in order to effect my eviction. What this is a superintendent harassing his tenant and making it construed to be the opposite. So,
Hey, listen to me. If you damage his property,
listen
to me.
Please don't speak to me.
If you damage his property,
none of his property has been
can I finish my sentence?
You don't need to speak with me.
If you damage his property, you are going to be arrested. And that's not
going
to help you. That's not going to help you with your.
Sir.
Can I finish my sentence, please?
I haven't damaged
Okay, then I'll just speak over you, because clearly you're unreasonable and you don't listen.
No, actually.
If you damage his property, you are going to be arrested. So do not damage anything.
I never touched his
items. Is that clear?
Sir, it's clear.
Thank you.
Go have a good day. I never touched his items. Enjoy your bullying of a position.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.